Hello learners, welcome back to our coding adventure with the Scratch Junior. In the last class, we have learned about animation and helped a character move and jump using coding blocks. Now today, we are going on a space mission. Meet astronaut Eva. She is ready for an exciting space journey. Her rocket is standing by, but there is a small problem. Now let's see what is the problem. Eva needs your help to get inside the rocket and launch into the car. Can you help her move into the rocket and blast off into space? Today we are going to use the purple screen block and say block. We will also explore different events like click event and touch event, and we will see that how we can change scene. So start with the activity and ask a student what did you enjoy about Scratch Junior last time and what else do you want to try. They can draw one thing they loved about their last animation. Now let's begin our Scratch Junior journey. So here first we are going to add the background and the characters. Let's delete this. Now we need a space background and we need two sprites. One is astronaut and one is rocket. Let's add this. Keep it side by side. So you can see the rocket and the astronaut is of same size. So what we can do, we can shrink the astronaut and make the rocket big. So let's do this. We are going to give the start event. So when we click on the start button, we are going to shrink. So this is called shrink. Let's run and check. So you can see it has decreased the size, but we want more, so we can increase the digit. Now it looks better. Now we are going to increase the size of the rocket. So let's move to rocket and increase the size. So this looks better. Now let's move to astronaut. Now we are going to add a say block. Astronaut is going to say that click me. Let's run. Okay. Now we have to add a click event, means when you click on astronaut or when you tap the astronaut will jump to the rocket and disappear. So let's do this. Now this is called click event. We can use, and let's give jump command. So we will give two jump command and then he will stop. Now we can add one more click event and we can get the move right block, make it 5 times. He will go to the rocket and then stop. So let's run and check. So he's saying click me. Now you can see he is not disappearing, so we have to give a disappear block by giving a touch event. Let's see the touch event. This is called touch event. we are going to add a touch event, means when the rock the astronaut touches the rocket, we have to make him invisible. Let's run again. Click. Okay. Now our rocket is ready to launch. Let's go to rocket and add some launch command. So we have to give that again a touch event, that when astronaut touches the rocket, we are going to add a wait until the astronaut boarded the rocket. So we are going to add a orange wait block. This is called wait block, and we can decrease the time with 3 seconds. Means in 3 seconds the astronaut will board the rocket. Now we need to give the up movement block, and we can give it 12 times, and then we have to make it disappear. So we are going to give the orange or the purple disappear block. Let's start again. Click. Astronaut boarded. Yes. Now let's go and see that what are the activities we have next. So we have already completed this. Now tell the student to draw the scene with both characters, and tell them that they can write down what their character did. So you did it. Eva got into the rocket and we launched her into space. Let's draw this scene into our book and describe what our character did. So great work, animator. Keep exploring and happy learning.